Michael here at drawingteachers.com, and we're going to continue to draw these 50 names. So right now I'm going to go ahead and do Josh. Alright, so easy enough. J-O-S-H. Let's do some things here. We'll bridge there. We'll angle that up. And that's going to have a serif there and a serif there. And we're going to do like some kind of X in this, I think. Do something interesting there. Okay, here I like to do some circles in here. Make sure that wraps up on there and comes back down in here. And for the H, let's do something kind of strange here. Let's bridge that over. Put a serif down here. Put a serif here. Serif here. Probably need to move those up, actually. Let's move them up. And we're going to bridge that right there. We're going to bring that J right into that. And let's say we're going to bring that S coming out of there. Alright, now for the J. Alright, so we're just kind of playing around with shapes here and trying to work out some interesting connections for all of this. And working out the balance of these shapes. All right, something kind of crazy like that. How about? And I encourage you to experiment with these serifs and doing some interesting things with them. Nice curve there, curve there, curve, curve. I think we'll do something a little different here. Don't really like this X here. I think we're just going to go with an interesting curl here. Maybe let that come over. We'll see how this cleans up when we get another piece of paper to trace over it. All right, and now need to sharpen up that pencil a little bit. Now coming off of this S, I want to have a similar flow. We've got these two round shapes next to each other in the O and the S. we'll make these a little thicker here. And see that shape there? We want to mirror that. Mirror that up here. Maybe do a little something sharp down there. I'll take this piece, make it come down here. All right, let's get the Sharpie and see what we can do with this. I think with looking at this curve here, I want to do something with a curve over here. That curve against that curve. Got that curve. Let's see how this looks. All right, got some interesting things going on there. Let's do a little drop shadowing in here. Okay, and now let's do an outline border for this. And now we're going to do a little erasing with our kneaded eraser. And some shading. Once I get this erased here, I think I need a little darkness here. This isn't exactly the correct side, but it just looked like it needed to be a little thicker. Yeah, I can always catch a couple of spots that I missed. Alright, and now let's go ahead and put some shading in here. I'm going to darken underneath this edge right in here. Put some shading on this loop. And a little on here. We're going to darken that edge right there. We're going to put a little darkness right there, as if that recedes in the back there. And now cross-hatching down here, which is just basically coloring at a different angle, shading at a different angle to what we were before. And we'll add some highlight shapes. And there we have Josh. We just need to do a little more refining. I think we call this one done. And that's number 3 of our 50 names.